Connect is McGraw-Hill's online assignment and assessment platform. To get started, you'll need to visit connect.mheducation.com to sign in. Enter your email address and password and click Sign In to get started. The first thing you'll need to do when starting with Connect is add a course. Under Find a Title, you'll search by title, author, or subject. You may narrow down the options by using subject, author, or title filters, or you may scroll through the titles that have resulted from your search. Click on the desired title. Under Tell Us About Your Course, you'll enter a course name, select your time zone, and enter registration dates. Consider creating a course name that can be used from semester to semester for future transitions. Next, under Name Your First Section, you'll enter a section name that is specific to each section. In the lower right corner of the page, click Create Course. Once your course has been created, you'll be presented with the Student Registration Information Sheet, which contains your section-specific web address that you can provide to your students. Please note that if you are integrating with a learning management system such as Blackboard, Canvas, or Brightspace, your students will be using Connect through your LMS and should not be given the URL to your Connect course. At the bottom of the page, click Continue to Section Home to enter your newly created course section. This is your Connect course section homepage. Your Connect course section defaults to the home page, but there are two additional tabs located at the top banner, Library and Performance. The home page is where you'll create and view your assignments, and along the right side is your section info. Next to section info, click the gear icon and add your photo, email address, and office hours. Below the instructor information, you'll find quick access to the ebook along with an area to upload your syllabus. As we continue down the page, you'll find access to additional course resources, including Tegrity, which allows you to record lectures for your students to view at any time. You can access the Library tab at the top of your Connect homepage. The library houses instructor resources such as media files, PowerPoints, and other tools. The third tab at the top of your Connect course is the Performance tab, providing access to a variety of reports and course data. For thorough training on creating effective assignments and understanding course data, please continue through this Connect tutorial series.